Welcome back to our channel. Success awaits you. Hope you all are doing great. Our topic for today will be from the English portion, and we will be talking about the perfect type of tenses. If we talk about the perfect type of tenses, then it means the use of third form of verb. So let's start the video and learn the perfect type of tenses. First comes the present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, the helping verb are has or have. The structure for the affirmative sentence is subject plus helping verb plus verb. Third form plus object. We use has with singular person and have with plural person. The examples can be, they have spent all the money. We have made a beautiful painting. He has finished the work, etc. Now present perfect negative. The structure is subject plus helping verb plus not plus verb. Third form plus object. The examples are, she has not eaten the meal. I have not broken the cup. You have not answered to any of my calls. Now, moving on to present perfect interrogative. The structure for it is helping verb plus subject plus verb. Third form plus object plus question mark. The examples are, has he brought his camera with him? Have the kids eaten their food? Have we ever won a prize? Etc. Next up is past perfect tense, and the helping verb is had. For the affirmative, the structure is subject plus helping verb plus verb. Third form plus object. The examples can be, we had watched this movie 3 years ago. He had bought a car last year. The bus had gone before I reached at the stop. If we talk about past perfect negative, then the structure is subject plus had, plus not, plus verb, third form plus object. The examples are, he had not received my letter, they had cleaned their room, we had not played cricket this week, etc. Past perfect interrogative. The structure is had plus subject plus verb, third form plus object plus question mark. The examples can be, had he prepared himself for the exam? Had they come on time? Had you taken the medicine when you were ill? Etc. Last is future perfect tense. The helping verb used is will have. The structure is subject plus will have plus verb, third form plus object. For example, she will have completed this work next week. They will have attended the meeting. I will have reached my house, etc. Now, future perfect negative. The structure is subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb third form plus object. Since it is negative, we will use not, and as you can see, the helping verb will have will be broken into two parts and not will be used in between. For example, he will not have completed his assignment, they will not have enjoyed the party, she will not have reached her house, etc. The last tense we will be covering is future perfect interrogative. That is, structure for it is will plus subject plus have plus verb, third form plus object plus question mark. Since it is an interrogative sentence, the use of question mark is must. The examples are, will he have helped out the needy? Will the police have caught the criminals? Will she have met her friend, etc.? Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video, and you must have seen that in perfect we use the third form of verb. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to the channel.